Now, this already damaging storm is just getting started, as you heard, with an intense few hours to come. WBZ's Jim Smith is live in Copley Square, where people have been trying to dodge the rain tonight. Jim?
Dodging the rain is a tall order right about now, Katie, because I have to tell you the rain is sideways, and it's a night to hold the umbrella with both hands as these wind gusts are really beginning to intensify. It's bad enough here in Copley Square, but it seems like the real lousy weather, at least right now, is in the southeastern part of the state. The bad weather is sweeping in from the south and east, and that part of the state is getting walloped already. Here in Marion, wind gusts of more than 40 miles an hour brought down a tree across a road. Power crews are also busy with outages in scattered areas throughout the state. Thousands of people impacted. In downtown Boston, the weather is just a soggy nuisance. Here at Copley Square, some visiting students from Europe and South America take it in stride.
Well, it's very rainy and windy. I don't mind the rain too much, but it's very windy and it's hard to walk around. We were just saying it's Halloween-themed weather, but we like the sun.
We like it so far. I mean, I like the rain, so I'm excited for my first winter in Boston.
As the night went on, conditions went downhill. Some came prepared with umbrellas. Some did not.
Yeah, I don't mind the rain or, a little bit.
And you're brave, no umbrella.
No, yeah, that's fine. I'm not sugar, so I'm not going to melt or dissolve, so that's fine.
Maybe this is payback. A warm, dry September and October, and now this.
Yeah, it was really nice. We took advantage of it, I think.
It was nice, but now not so nice.
No, it's turned now.
It's pretty wet. It's kind of chilly. It's not too bad, though. It's pretty warm. It's like, it's comfortable.
Comfortable, that is in the eye of the beholder. Once again, the conditions right now here at Copley Square, very heavy rain and wind that does seem to intensify. It comes in gusts, seems to be getting a little worse as time goes by. And I know we always seem to say this, but really, truly, leave yourself some extra time tomorrow morning. It should be quite a Monday commute. Live in Copley Square, Jim Smith, WBZ News.